Today is a special day. Come with me as I get ready to see my first granddaughter. Yes, my baby girl is having a baby today. I have two grandsons, but today I am going to have my first granddaughter. So I know I'm doing a whole lot of running around, so I just wore just a plain t-shirt, and I need something with pockets. So I'm gonna just use this Adidas track jacket. Do they still call this a track jacket? That's what they called it when I was young, like a track suit. So I am just going to do the half zip with this. I'm telling you, it has been fun with grandsons. I love them. I love them, love them, love them. But this granddaughter, I am super excited about. So I wanted to wear this because I like to have some pockets. And if I'm running around, I can drop some things in my pocket. And it's pretty cold today, so I'm gonna go with this big overcoat that I purchased last year from Target. I can't even remember how much it was, but I know it was like on sale. And maybe under 40 bucks. Yeah, I'm sure it was under 40 bucks. And I never button or anything. I just do the wrap around. Gonna tie the waist this way. And for shoes, we want to be most comfortable. I am going to wear these Adidas. They are super comfortable. And they have a little pink in there as I welcome my granddaughter. Has a little gold trim. These are so comfortable, and we will be wearing these. Now, as for a bag, I am going to carry my Louis Vuitton backpack. Most convenient for me. Will probably be at the hospital forever. So in this quick pocket here, I have my ID cards I use most often. Have a little Louis Vuitton key pouch with a bunch of change in here. And this is my essentials where I have, I think these are my like my AirPods, lip gloss in there. So easy access. Sorry about that. And stuff that back in here. And in the larger part of the bag, real quickly, again, we'll be here for hours. I have, let's look at this. I have a notebook. I have my retainer there. I have my wallet. I have another little pouch here. This is my agenda book for notes. Have some medical notes here. My laptop. In here, I have a pouch for my ink pens. I have, what else is in here? This is for my keys. This is my sunglasses. And I think that's all in here. Let's see, anything else? Oh, one last thing. And then this is my tissue. And I am ready to go. So this will be this will allow me to be hands-free because I'll carry this on my back wherever I need to go. My grandson will be there, so I know he's going to want things, and I'm going to have to stuff things in the backpack just to keep up with him too. But excited.